All right, it is the 6th of May, 2026. Um, I am down on the day $450. Unfortunately, losing two trades. So, yeah, really unfortunate. I feel like every time I win like two trades or two or three trades in a row, like I always know I'm going to lose the next trade, which sucks. Um, I think the main reason for that, I mean, we'll get into it, but like, I think that, first of all, I mean, I was bearish on the day. I actually had like good conviction we'd probably end up filling this new day opening gap because there is a low volume node here. Um, I thought we were just gonna recover this whole breakout. Like this is probably a news candle. I think there's a couple news candles. I think what happened today is like the market does technically want to go down here, but the news coming out is so bullish that it just kind of keeps it propped up. And we actually didn't even end up like I don't think we ended up taking out anything to the downside. Like we didn't get this new day opening gap. We didn't get anything here, and we kind of just chopped. And I got chopped up. I think that the trade I took, or the trades I took two trades. They were not that good for just for the reason that just because of the like the absorption. So I took longs today. Even though I said I was bearish, I was just like I think that the price action was showing me longs. So I was marking off the obviously the 5 minute range. Like again, I want to only take trades at these key levels. I think the fact that the 5 minute range, I mean, it does end up getting broken here on high volume, but it doesn't. It kind of forms, and then I mean, we come back inside it. Like I think that's fine. Obviously, like that happens. Right here, it actually looked like we were just gonna go down. I thought we were straight up just gonna honestly start going down because here I'm still bearish, right? I'm still thinking we're going for this low, we're going for this new week opening gap or new day opening gap. And then we just end up breaking through this, and I mean this breakout is pretty good, right? Like pretty high volume. Actually it's really not that good. Now that I'm looking at it, right, like back testing, it's really not that good of a breakout. Like we're still making the right. Obviously here I'm not looking to take in anything. I was waiting for it to break out. So this is when we break out, and I was like, okay. I mean that's a good breakout, right? It's like high volume, high delta, like clearly a good breakout. So at this point, I was looking for yeah, and we have a really good like low volume node. Like this looks pretty good, right? To me, looked pretty good for a setup. And here, yeah, so I mean, good breakout, right? Good low volume node. This is, I think, where the signs that maybe a long was not that good are starting to come in. Like, we have a ton of buying just getting absolutely demolished right here. Now, I didn't mark off, like, let me just look if this was like an hourly. If we'd pushed above anything here, because I didn't mark off any key levels like up here to the upside, honestly, just because I didn't think we were going up, except for I marked off this high up here. Yes, this was not like an hourly high or anything. Yeah, I mean, does this look bearish? This looks really bullish to me. I mean, we of this range, right? We hit value area low. We filled in, I'm assuming this is a low volume node. Yeah, we filled in this low volume node right here. This is looking great for longs. Looking great for longs, in my opinion. Unfortunately, right here, the volume profile is not looking that good. Like we have, a lot of buying here that's just getting completely absorbed. So I ended up waiting. I wanted to see this low volume node either get filled completely or this 5 minute level get tested again. So I think this was where I entered. So yeah, this is probably a premature entry, to be honest. I was going for about a 1-to-1 here. Entered here because I honestly probably should have waited a little bit longer to enter here. This low volume node, it kind of got hit and we got absorption, but I don't know. It's not the clear. So this actually rips. I honestly probably could have just moved my stop to break even here, but it ripped immediately and then it just went down. Now, if I hadn't entered there, I would have entered coming up here. So after it got smacked down again, I was like, oh shit, this is probably not going to be going up because we have another candle with a lot of absorption here. I was like, okay, probably is not going to be going up. So if I had not entered on that first candle, this candle, which does end up stopping me out, I would have entered on this candle because, and then it just like, yeah. So I don't know if there was news, like there wasn't news actually. This was just some weird, we had this happen twice. I think it happened to both my trades. So that was an L there. And then, like I said, I mean, I probably would have entered this anyway because it was looking pretty good. After this, I was, still kind of waiting. I had marked off the 15-minute opening range high as well because I was thinking, if we break above this, we get a reaction. Just like yesterday. Obviously, yesterday we had incredible reactions off these levels. Today was just not good. So we break out of this too. End up taking the high, and we get like a ton of absorption again, if I remember right. Yeah, so a lot of absorption. I think that absorption, like again, I probably should not have taken longs here. I still thought it looked good for longs, but so right here, I believe I took what did I take? Yeah, so there was this low volume node right here. I knew this was a really good level for price to react off the 5-minute because we reacted off here like we love reacting off the 5-minute opening range. But today, yeah, I mean, we're kind of just chopping. I was just like waiting for this to get hit basically, and it does end up getting hit if you go a little faster. It gets hit and yeah, I think I had entered here. So honestly, this does look pretty good. I don't know. The only thing, like the entry model, right? It looks fine. So when this gets hit and this gets completely absorbed, I bought in right here and was targeting this basically. And I mean, yeah, does this trade look bad? I mean, again, like on the higher time frame, this trade makes total sense. And even the entry model makes sense, but it just doesn't end up working out. It just gets immediately stopped out. It's actually like on this same candle. Or yeah, it's the next candle. So, I mean, another absorption there. And then we just break through. And then after we broke through, I was like, okay, well, now we're probably going to take out this low. Which we do end up doing that. So, I don't know. I mean, what happened on the day? I mean, I think I should have just been more... I think I just honestly shouldn't have taken either of these because, I mean, I'm not going to say they're bad trades. The first one wasn't that bad. I think it was, made sense. I don't know. After we absorbed again up here, like, I should have just asked myself, what are the odds we actually take this high? But, I mean, mechanically, they looked like decent trades. And then we get another random volume spike. I don't know what these moves down are. Like, they're so high volume. I don't know what's going on, but something's happening. I don't know. And then we recover it again. So, yeah, like, I don't know. This is why I was saying, like, I think the market, it seemed like it wanted to go down, but, like, the news is just so bullish, right? Like, we get these spikes down, and then they just get recovered immediately. And, yeah, I mean, if I hadn't taken those trades, would I have taken anything here? I probably would have. This is a really good break above this level. I don't know. It's hard to say. Either way, this is really unfortunate. I think I just need to be... Honestly, like, I think this could have been avoided. I think I just need to be more just understanding that like this is not a good trade with this absorption. Also, I was looking at this, like I looked at this and I was like, shit, dude. Why, dude? Why? Bruh. Ain't no way. I was looking at the CVD for afterwards and I was like, holy shit, like, dude, this is actually if I could freaking make it work. This was like, I never would have taken this second long if I had seen the CVD doing this, right? Like, this is making a lower high. Like, this is... I would never have taken this long. I actually probably would have taken a short here. Down to this low if I'd seen this. Because, yeah, this doesn't look good. And then down here, too, like... Yeah, I mean, this is getting absorbed, but I don't know. I don't think I would have taken anything else here. I'm just going to go through the price action to see if I would have taken anything else. If I hadn't, like... Oh, man, we have another... See, yeah, we have another CVD divergence here. Like, this could be really helpful, honestly, on these chop days where there's nothing going on. Like, it would definitely keep me out of trades. Like, I wouldn't have taken this long, like I said. This is all of a sudden starting to look like a trade here. Yeah, like, holy shit, dude. This is like a weird level that we're reacting off. I don't know what this is. Do we end up breaking out? Let's see. Okay, so this is a pretty good breakout. So yeah, from here, longs all of a sudden look a lot better. And... Oh, this is where we are? Okay, so where's the 30-minute range? 801. So this is the 30-minute opening range. So let's see. Would I have taken anything here? I don't know, dude. There is kind of, I don't know. Not great price action today. Honestly, this trade is not bad. A short from up here after we take this high, like this is actually not bad at all. But either way, unfortunate day. I gotta stop taking longs into absorption because I feel like I do that a lot. But either way, we're making another CVD divergence. What the fuck, dude? Anyway, yeah, this is like a chop day. This is really hard to trade, so I'm not really too mad, especially this first trade. I think the first trade was pretty good. But yeah, hopefully we can get some less choppy price action, or at least I need something to stay out of this chop. Like, I need some sort of metric. Maybe the CVD would help. I don't know. I'm working on it, so we'll see.